Hello, my name is Vaidehi and in this video I'm gonna cover my everyday productive morning routine. You can also say that it's my pre-workout routine and I hope this video will be helpful in some or other way. I think without wasting any time, let's just start with this video. My morning routine starts around 5:30 a.m. and the first thing I like to do is to have a lot of water. Next thing is to stretch my body and then I'll have my medicine. I received this bottle as a free gift from Muscle Place as I have been using their supplements since a very long time. Just like everyone else, I like to socialize and then it's time to write down all the things that came up in my mind. Usually, I like to maintain a to-do list where I'll write everything that I want to do on this entire day. I'll also write some video ideas that came up in my mind, and that's it for the journal part. After all that is done, I'm gonna go and freshen up and also tie my hair into a ponytail and then I'll go and freshen up. Here I saw that my mirror was pretty dirty, so I cleaned it up right away. I'm very particular about hygiene and this is why I washed my hands first and then I went on to brushing my teeth. At this point, if you don't know, I like to watch my YouTube videos every single morning whenever I start doing my everyday work. This just helps me keep going. I like to keep my morning skincare routine very sweet, simple and I hate layering products. Here I am using M Caffeine's green tea serum all over my face, applying lip balm and lipstick just to look presentable in front of the camera and a bindi. I changed into my workout outfit and it was also raining outside, so it was very pleasing to sit there and watch the climate change. I prefer cleaning my room before going to the gym because it just relaxes my muscles. At the same time, I usually don't feel that energetic when I'm back from the gym and uske baad kaam karna is not that easy. This is why I prefer to clean my room before going to the gym. I truly believe that everyone should start cleaning their space. This is a part of personality development and cleaning will help your mind feel positive about your space and about yourself. After all that was done, I washed my hands, washed my feet and I went downstairs. I was feeling extremely hungry and I don't like to go to gym without eating anything. Here my mom was talking about all the new plants and new buds. Now here I found bunch of bananas, so I took one and I went straight to my balcony. Here my entire family was sitting and enjoying their own sweet little time, so I just sat down there and had it all. We live in a very open space. This is why my mother always keeps something for birds and sparrows to eat and drink. I think birds are part of our ecosystem and we should definitely feed them every single day. Just simply keep something for them to eat and drink and that's it. Then it was time to get ready for the gym. I usually like to apply mascara, lipstick and do my brows. I think itna kam makeup karke my skin is not gonna spoil by any means and I don't want to look like a bulky man into the gym. I want to look a beautiful fit girl and this is why I'm pretty comfortable with whatever I do. I usually like to tie a sweatshirt around my waist because it makes me feel comfortable, and then I packed my gym bag. I sometimes like to take a water bottle with me as well. उसके बाद wore my socks and applied perfume. Perfume is an extremely important part of my life because I hate smelling bad. My trainer and a very good friend arrived at around 7 a.m. and it was a very bright morning. Even though it rained so heavy, it was shining, like sun was shining a lot, and we met this very pretty calf. I have no idea if she or he is male or female, but whatever it was very cute to see that moment. Once I was in the gym, I like to start with warm up, and I'm not very intense with warm up routine. The only thing that came in my mind was to heat my body and make my body flexible enough, and that's it. It was shoulder day for me, so आज का agenda था to lift 15, 17 and 20 kgs and 3 sets in each of the weights. I think it was pretty simple or easy for me to lift 15 and 17, but it was very difficult to lift 20 kgs. But I was pretty happy with what I have achieved in these 1.5 years. I have came a long way and there is long way to go. I also perform some other workouts such as side raises, front raises, and I always like to keep these repetitions higher and about 3 to 4 sets. The repetitions are totally dependent on how much pain I can bear, and until and unless I feel sore, I like to keep my repetitions high. Well, by no means I'm saying that I have the fittest body in this world, but I must tell you that I feel very good about myself, and if you want to feel good about your body, you should definitely start working out today. After that, I went back to my home and there was a lot of sunshine in my room, so I spent some time over there. About this video, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.